What's going on? Thought I'd just make a little video of doing a boost leak test on the trusty SR. So thought it'd be pretty interesting. I think it's pretty interesting how it works, and thought I'd just make a little video out of it. So I've just been to Bunnings and picked up a little 3-inch cap, PVC cap. Put that in the intake hose for the turbo, and then I'm going to thread in like a air compressor fitting into that, so I can put the air compressor onto all the piping. I'll show you on the car. So basically this will go in there on the turbo, and then it'll just pressurise the intercooler piping. And I mean, I should be able to just do it through the throttle body into the motor, as long as there's no like crazy valve overlap and it's letting it out the exhaust, then I should be right. Yeah, pressurise it, put like, I don't know, 25-30 psi in there and see if we're leaking from anywhere. These intercooler hoses have been in a crash, and I've never boost leaked it before anyway, so some of those clamps could be leaking, who knows. I think it'd be pretty cool to see, and it'll definitely be worth my while if there is boost leaks to fix them up. Capture all that horsepower, stop it escaping. Yeah, I think my first move will be to drill a hole out in this, and I'll probably just put some Teflon tape or something on this and just hopefully just thread it into that and make a thread. Hopefully it works. I think it'll work. And yeah, put it in here, hose clamp it onto the turbo, and yeah, put some boost into it. Some air compressor boost. Yeah, so I got a drill. Might drill out a small hole to begin with. Take my step drill bit. Pretty soft stuff. Oh no, I've gone too big. Motherfucker. Alrighty, so don't do what I just did and make your hole too big to begin with. So I've blocked it with a bolt, nut and O-ring. Hopefully it works enough. It's just to check for boost leaks. It doesn't have to be too serious, but yeah, learn from my mistakes anyway. Got a bit too keen. I'm going to put this thing down here now. And not make it too big this time. I think this drill bit should be the right size, I think, or thereabouts. It's pretty thin stuff, so I'm not sure how well it's going to bite. Yeah, I might try that. I think it'll seal alright without the Teflon. Something like that. Alright, so now that we've got that, I'll put it in this hose. I think it matters which way, which end. Like so. Then I'll get one of my intercooler clamps. Clamp. Make it a little bit bigger. Put that on there. Crank him up. Yeah, that seems pretty good. It's like that, I suppose. So you want to have some way to regulate how much boost you actually put in there, just because you don't want to put 100 psi through there. So I'm going to be using my spray painting hose. It's got a water trap and an air pressure regulator. So I'll hook that up to the compressor. So I've got some air in the compressor, and I've got this regulator set to about 10-15 for now. I'll turn it, once it's all connected and pressurising, I'll turn it up a little bit, but it will change when I hook it up. So yeah, I get this little contraption hooked up. Hopefully that'll do. Yeah, I'll get the compressor on there and see what they're looking at. I'm going to put a bit more pressure in there. Well, as you can probably hear, that's at 20 psi and we have mad boost leaks. Major ones there. See, I put my finger over in here, that's the biggest one. She is pissing out. That clamp seems alright. There's another mad one over here. And that hose feels alright. Just there, where I've got the little dodgy setup for the idle air control valve. That's leaking. That one feels alright. Yeah, massive one here. I don't know why that clamp's not sealing it. I have to do something about that. And that's about it. So yeah, as you can tell, I've got some pretty major boost leaks happening, which I probably wouldn't have been able to know about unless I did this test, so it's definitely worth doing. I've got to fix those leaks up and do the test again. But yeah, they'll probably do it for this video, just a little short video showing how to do it. I thought it was pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Definitely stay tuned because the next video will probably be the next drift event and I'm going to be doing some tandem practice. Super keen for that. Keen to get on some doors and bang the car up. That should be pretty sick. So yeah, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next one.
Been down for my fam, don't care about nothing. People think I'm the man, shit I ain't changed. Where were you fuckers when I needed you? Now they all scream we believe